Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer from wallet to exchange in Binance. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open up the Binance app. Over here, go to Assets. After that, in the Exchanges section, tap on Deposit. Then, find and select the token or coin that you want to receive from the wallet. Over here, select USDT. After that, select the network, for example, BNB network. Then copy the address by tapping on the copy option. After that, tap on the back arrow to go back to the wallet. Over here, tap on the wallet section. Then go to Assets under Wallet and find the token or crypto coin that you want to send. After that, select USDT. Then tap on the Send button. Before you tap on Send, make sure you select the correct network that you copied earlier. After that, paste the address you copied. Then tap on Done. After that, tap on Continue. Then you can tap on Max if you want to send all the amount or specify the amount you want to send. After that, tap on Continue again. Then the token will be transferred into your exchanger in Binance. So that's basically how you can transfer from wallet to exchange in Binance. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.